Your car battery died and you're stuck on the road. Now you're waiting for that much anticipated tow truck. We're here to go over 6 reasons that your car battery is dying super fast and how to prevent this from ruining your vibe. Reason numero uno. Number 1, your battery is too old. We get it. It's time for out with the old and in with the new. Did you know most batteries last 2 to 3 years before needing to be replaced? And things like extreme weather or short drives could shorten the lifespan even more. Be sure to check out the links below and stop by our dealership to have your car battery checked so you don't end up wrecked. Reason number 2, your battery connections have retired. Fun fact, the positive and negative terminals on your car battery can become loose over time. From raccoons attacking your car or rodents eating wires? Nah fam, it's literally just from everyday driving and corrosion. If you don't take care of this, it'll result in your battery not being able to properly transmit power. In simpler terms, it means it's harder to start your car. You can prevent this by checking and cleaning your car battery connections. Reason number 3, parasitic draw. We promise the aliens haven't invaded your Toyota just yet, but one day. This just means that you left your cabin lights or your headlights on when you locked up your ride for the night. When your car is running, the alternator recharges the battery and keeps everything balanced so you can jam away to Taylor Swift or Jason Aldean. Pro tip, always make sure that everything is turned off when you leave your ride to go catch some Z's. Reason number 4, your drives aren't long enough. Starting your car uses a large amount of energy. So if you're only driving short distances, the alternator won't have enough juice to charge your battery. This can shorten the lifespan of your battery, especially if it's older. Reason number 5, the alternator isn't working correctly. If your alternator isn't working, it won't be able to charge up your car's battery while you're driving. This makes it hard to start your car and can result in a dead battery over time. And trust, your car battery always seems to die at the most inconvenient times, like trying to escape that bad first date. Girl, I know. If you think you have alternator issues, schedule an appointment with our service team. Reason number 6, there's extreme weather. Extreme heat and extreme cold can take a toll on your battery and reduce its lifespan. If there's some extreme weather going on, be sure to get your battery checked out. The last thing you'd want is to be stranded in the middle of nowhere on Friday the 13th. If you want to keep your battery juiced up, then stop by Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Violin Road.